No way, this kitty is speaking fluent alien, 10 out of 10.
특별한 기둥을 세워줍니다. 넘치는 인심만큼 콩나물까지 얹어줍니다. 여기에 콩나물로 만든 국물까지
Hey, that dog thinks he is a human. Same bro, same.
No, 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 no. Do not come over here, Loki. Do not come over.
Oh my god, the orange cat regrets everything. I can watch this all day. Wait, that good boy wants some food, I need him. Hey, the orange cat is having an existential crisis, lol. Help, the chonky boy is questioning reality, 10 out of 10. Bro, the orange cat just failed physics class, classic.
Hello? 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 Hi.
Dude, that husky is acting crazy, too wholesome. Check this out, that husky is dancing, emotional damage.
Се чека у реду на месо. Па јас сум фасцинирана, боже што сум еден.
Man, that husky regrets everything, classic. Ha, this cat is possessed by a demon, 10 out of 10. Wait, the orange cat is downloading a new update, FBI open up. Check this out, this furball is malfunctioning, unbelievable.
You do not want to come in here.
Okay, but this kitty wants some food, pure chaos.
No.
Wait for it, the puppy is lagging. What a meme.
Max.
You're actually pretty good. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow! Okay.
Wait, that husky is fighting a ghost. I can watch this all day. OMG, this cat shows violence today. Best thing ever. No way, this absolute unit needs a factory reset. Cuteness overload. Help, this fluff ball is trying to fly. I am dying. Okay, but this criminal stopped working. Legendary.
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
Yo, the pet is possessed by a demon. Legendary.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, Antes.
I'll help her.
Oh my god, that husky is trying to fly. Best thing ever.
Засунув туди лапу і тримай. Б'єш. Ти що грієшся? Грійся, грійся, мій маленький.
Okay, but this animal is possessed by a demon. Cuteness overload. Listen, the doggo just realized he is a dog. Emotional damage.
Boy! Good boy! Oh, the elbow!
Man, this absolute unit forgot how to walk. So funny. OMG, my neighbor's dog is vibing too hard, I can't even.
Ну зачем ты тапки одел? Тебя чего просили сделать? Принести их, Дэнь, не надевать.
OMG, this kitty is fighting a ghost, what is going on?
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Did you miss me?
That's the ranch kitty. I'm not a cat guy. I wouldn't call myself a cat guy. She's not a cat. She's not a human cat. Cat human.